Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Amaya Raine Day, and you can use any rainbow high doll for this. This is hosted by Dory's Dollies and myself. Today the challenge was Stars and Stripes or Summer Clothes. And I really like this print for 4th of July. So many people go sailing or out on boats or watch the fireworks down at the river. I just thought it was really cute. What I couldn't get straight is I would get her t-shirt just right, but her bling, her fireworks necklace, just wouldn't lay right when I did. So I thought, you know what, go with the necklace. She was invited to a barbecue and they said, bring your own meat. And like me, she grabbed Lunchables and off she went. There we go. Thank you, Dory, so much. If any of you has a Amaya Raine video today, which is any of the Shadow High or Rainbow High dolls in summer clothes or Stars and Stripes, please let me know in the comments so I can come by for sure and see it. These challenges are so much fun in our community, and I just enjoy seeing them all. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe to every channel you go to today, and especially go by Dory's. Thank you.